Okay. Okay. Good morning, guys. So this is a quite introduction to the subject of information security project. So normally what we do in this project or what we've been practicing the last 5 years, you need to build up a CTF box. So people who don't know about CTF, you can go out of the room because you've been doing it for a long time, I believe. So from your second year, even we talked about okay the importance of CTFs. You played some of the games like structures like over the wire, war games, bit of other things as well. And so you know what is a CTF box, capture the flag box or capture the flag tournament. You are well aware. I don't know how many of you have played all throughout, but remember, you should have the experience by now. So what we've been doing over the years for the project, third year project, we've been asking student to build up a CTF box rather than start playing because you've been playing CTF box. That's our assumption. Now you need to have uh, go at building a box. So it's complete the reverse approach. So now you have to think of a developer. Now you have to think from the perspective of a hacker. Okay, how are the levels should be structured? And then of course you can incorporate anything. Even you can incorporate design, creativity, because I've seen people coming up with these crazy concepts, science fiction, all this cool stuff from Star Wars to Stargates to Game of Thrones to what are the other cooler things that you have, whatever Vikings to even Sherlock Holmes to even the other guys who are looking at Sri Lankan folk stories like Ravana and many more. So you can be creative because when you design a box like a CTF box, you can be like over the moon type of creativity can be used. So that is well understood and well accepted as well. And also nicer topic stories can be incorporated. And also there are a wide spectrum of technologies, concepts used in cyber in general, like concepts like this. Let me show you a list. Forensics, crypto, web exploitation, reverse engineering, binary exploitation. I think you have learned almost all these things, probably not forensics, but yes, the other things you have learned. So apart from that, of course, you can talk about a management side of the cyber, GRC, governance, risk and compliance, as well as the cooler side of this dark web, dark stories, darknet, and so many other cooler topics are coming out. Even health information, ransomware, even more crazier stuff like criminal psychology, including to cyber criminal cyber psychology, right? So there are serial killers now in cyber world. There are so much of things happening, good and bad. And last 2 years, especially with COVID, there was so much of lure toward these hackers, bad people towards health information. 70 or $7 trillion being lost. So there are newer avenues where we can look in cybersecurity. And I think you guys had to be not really happy, but really confident that you selected the right pathway because cyber is getting more and more important every day. $7 trillion were hacked last year alone in health information. Just think about the number of opportunities that will provide. And demand had go skyrocketed. But remember, it's a bit different. Samara kattiya කියනවා like okay, even though you say you have huge demand, it's hard to find jobs. Not that hard to find jobs, but it's hard to get in. The thing is they need the best. And there are a lot of people who are doing cyber. So it's not a niche anymore. So there are a lot of people coming in, but it's still hard to find the right people. So you have to be that right person. That's your problem, right? Not anybody else's problem. You can be in Harvard or Carnegie Mellon, the best university. You may be doing science courses, and you have the best mentors for you, like I don't know whoever, right? Cribs or Troy Hunt or whoever. But still, it's still your problem. If you don't know how to learn, if you don't know how to present yourself, or you don't know how to talk English, Sinhala, or Tamil, whatsoever, and if you don't know how to write, writing is essential. So find out 5 major areas that you have to improve and improve it. Otherwise, you are getting stuck, right? So you can get into, of course, with 40,000 rupee job, but it's the difference of 40,000 earning 40 and then maybe earning 400,000, right? So I think you are well aware, okay, where we are heading at. So when you do these boxes, of course, there are very interesting pathways that you can follow. And also, of course, you can incorporate gaming into this. Gaming is one of the coolest things. I don't find anyone living, Amla Tatla Baina Tame, but they also like if you go and give the right game to you, to them, they will play it. So not only problem is when people say game, they think always about either mostly what are the games that you play. I don't know what you play, so I should not start with something like Halo. But yeah, so you have COD 2, and then of the World of Warcraft to Age of Empire to, or even chess. When you say games, no one talks about chess. That's really bad, right? Chess is a game, right? So then you have poker. I really love poker. Right? There are so many other games, different variations, different genres. You don't have to always kill a person, right? No. There are so many other cooler types of games which affects. Even there are sex games. Even we should not talk about it, right? So there are more than 100 million people playing chess games. Sorry, not chess games, sex games at this given time. බාන්නක games ගහන්න නැති කෙනෙක් නෑ. Right. So people love games because they know competition is cooler. And when you go into levels, you become confident. So you guys understand gamification or gaming-like features can be incorporated into these CTFs. All right. So hope you got a brief idea about what is a CTF and you know about it basically. Not to build one, right? A box. And why you have to build one? Because it's a project. So you need to have what is the particular thing about a project මේ කියන්න බාන කවුරු කෙනෙක්? What is so special about a project, guys? මොකක්ද project එකක් කියන්නේ?
We develop something from our own.
හරි. හැබැයි දැන් අපිට හිතන දේ එක පාට project එක මොන හරි දෙයක් හදනවා කියන එක. But what is so special about project? මේ ජීවිතය කියන්නේ project
And
එකක්ද? Life එක කියන්නේ project එකක්ද?
yeah, do it yourself project.
ඒක තවත් aspect එකක්. but අපි life එක project එකක්ද කියලා එක පාට හරි කියන්න හරි අමාරුයි. life එක long living නේ. දැන් ඇච්ච long living නෑ මේ covid කියන එකත් එක්ක. ඉතින් ඒක life එකත් උනා you can think it as a project. Right? But what is special about projects? කවුද කියන්න බලන්න.
We learn deep into a specific topic.
Yeah. So all these aspects are there. But there are some things called constraints when you talk about projects, which are normally not found in any other thing. Don't worry, Jason. We'll go there, right? About module codes and things like that. Don't worry. There's nothing there. It's a fresh desert-like page. Imesh කියන්න බලන්න. There's a rule here, right? I really like that rule. But this time it will happen. I asked 2 times. එක පාරක් දෙනවා chance එක සමහරට bathroom එකේ වගේ ඉන්න වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර you have to just come out නේ. Or you can be at a different place. You are scared you are scared to talk. But second time when I asked, okay, Imesh, what is the answer? You don't answer, I'm going to kick you out. What a fun එක. ස්ටුඩන්ට් ඉතින් එල්ලලා බලාගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ වීඩියෝ කෙනෙක්. right? මට බයින්න එපා. ඒක රූල් එකක් ඉතින් හැමෝටම හොඳයි ඒ රූල් එක. Then everybody will start talking. එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ ළමයි හිතන ඒ සමහරු ක්ලාස් එකට එන්නෙත් නැහැ. So these buggers are getting full fun in the video, but we are having come into the class මේ සර් ඉඳගෙන අපි වෙලනවා. But it's okay. අපි attendance ගන්නවා, so don't worry. Anyway, so project everyone is something which is having set of constraints. You have a time constraint. ඔක තමයි වැදගත්ම දේ. You have a time constraint. First is time. So it's a thing that should run in a given timeline. All right, so it should be on a given timeline. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this project we are starting today, 11th of July. So we are going to end it. You can write down if you want to. So last date of the exams, last day for lecture semester 2 undergraduate is 25th of October. Right? So your time box is 11th of July to 25th of October. ඔක්කොම ටික මම දානවා මේ පාර වෙබ් එකේ. So it's a time boxing. Box එකක් විදිහට time එක හදනවා. So Yeah, so that you get ideally 3 months. Hari, little more than 3 months. So if you get when you ask such questions, you have to even ask more lengthier questions like how many days then? Around 100 days. So you have 100 days to build something. That's one, right? So when you say 100 days, then you understand how much or how many hours per day that you are putting for this project. And I would say, without any, I don't want your life. මට බිලාගේ life එකවත් I don't want Bilal's day in his life, but I need 1 hour from your life for the rest 100 days. එහෙම වුණ නැත්නම් you are going to fail the subject. It will be very simple. Isuri Herat, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So how many days that I need from your life from today onwards? How many days, Isuri?
100.
Roughly 100 days. හැමෝගෙම life මෙතන ඉන්නවා 80ක්. මට ඕනේ 8,000 days from your all your lives. නේ 8,000 හරිනේ. 100 into 800 then වැරදිද මන්ද whatever, you know. Okay. Yeah, it's somewhere out that, you know, more than like 10,000 hours, right? Hours. At one day, 1 hour. So I'm going to give a kind of a dashboard also we have to maintain. So I will know what exactly you have done. You have 24 hours, sleep for 8 hours if needed. Then you have 16 hours left. You can do all the crap you want in the rest of the 15 hours. So I think that's quite fair. And also, guys, don't make a practice to come different time intervals. So next time onwards, I'll be checking only half an hour. So when I start the lesson, says 9:30, I will double check the waiting list, and then again 10, then 10:30. That's all, right? So please, today I'm going to ask everyone to come, but not next day onwards. And also make sure that you have a kind of a synonymous text in your name. Ideally, it's really great if you can have the IT number, then a backslash, sorry, then underscore. Most of you have done it, right? The first name, right? First name, guys, girls, because I like to talk you from the first name, not as Karunaratna ADHU. It's good to talk as Shehani or Imesh, and also please keep the surname as well. I don't need those Balapatapandiani Mulyansedage, Mahinda Rajapaksage. You don't need that, right? So I need just Sudeepa, Shrikant, or Shriyantaka. Okay, Shriyantaka. Okay, that's all what I need, right? Okay, that's great. So let's continue. Yeah, so that's basically the second requirement, or the first requirement is time boxing. So ඒක වැදගත්. So just seriously think about, okay, I have to input this time, right? And that should be effective time, right? I'll tell you how to do that effectively later. The second thing is resources, obviously, right? That's a resource involvement. Of course, I'm not going to do too much about it. If you're doing a project, make sure that you need resources. We'll talk about it later. Right. Okay. Then, of course, the other probably the cost factor. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. But remember, so there'll be constraints called triple constraint when you talk about a project. So I would suggest you to like do everything as a project, this subject as a project. And then if you are doing or learning something different, put it as a project. So you know that you have to finish it on a given timeline, 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, whatsoever. You'll have mini projects, and then you have medium scale projects. You can have large scale projects, right? Even whatever in your life, you can convert it to a project other than your relationships, right? For your girlfriend, boyfriend, love life figure, okay, project love life. So it will not make sense. But there are people who do that because they go from one to the other. So you have one project, success or failure, lessons learned, and then of course past ones you can say project with girl X or boy X. This is what I learned. That's it. Forget about it. Right. Okay, guys. Now come back again. So now in this particular year, I told like last 5 years, we had different types of creative activities. End product was always a CTF box, which is normally a virtual machine, right? This time it will be a little different. I really don't want only for you guys to just to work on the vanilla flavor of CTF box. Last time also I tried it out. It didn't really went well, not because any other thing, but we couldn't monitor things well. But this time I'm having a monitoring scheme. But students were doing all these other things. End of the day, they were not. They didn't build what really I wanted to build. So I couldn't take those products to the clients. So I'll explain what you are supposed to do this time. Now, there's a huge requirement in the industry, different sectors, to try out, simulate different problems that they face. Now, I've been training customs officers. They have so much of trouble. Now, when they go in these raids, they find businessmen doing all those crazy illegal stuff. Now, they suddenly find out a phone, and they have so much of content inside that they don't know how to recover them, how to look at them, how to analyze them, how to put it to the codes. So it's like a kind of a nightmare to them. So they've been learning courses, trying to do different types of studies, how to do that, how to demystify a phone and understand what these guys have been hiding. So it's partly forensic analysis, partly different types of things that you do. Right. So now what you're supposed to do is you have to build such a box, right, where you can apply it to one industry sector. So you can only select something like forensics. Those days I was saying, okay, always try to build something where I would say like, okay, try to combination of things. But this time, guys, you don't have to combine all of these things into levels. So what's being happening? Some people are doing five act now. They have like what I normally say. You would have like 10 levels or 15 levels, and each level or each category there should be multiple levels. And a kind of a ballpark rule of thumb would be, now we are going to have a competition every year. Last 2 years we couldn't because of the COVID thing. But earlier, this was actually, these boxes were introduced to the CodeFest CTF challenge. But this time I'm going to do a island wide. Probably I'm going to market it the whole South Asia. We'll do online thing. We'll follow up with things. You guys can do that. That's the crazy and cooler part of it. You can use all social media and get people onto it, and we can have a Facebook group starting from today if you want to market this competition. So you are going to host your competition to a wide array of people. We'll talk about how to do it. So this can happen in November after all your exams are over, or early December. But remember, this had to be done because you get marks for that as well. So you have to plan ahead of that, right? So but the platform is, you can use, there are so many platforms to do this. So we can either build one, or you can use such a platform, and you can host these products, and we can ask everyone to participate and play your boxes. So we'll gather a lot of data. You can have your own mileage. If say that some bank really wanted to buy your product for 20 million, or say 2 million for that matter, so you can sell it. So there are so much of people, so much of industry organizations who are interested in it. So Bilal, now you guys, now say you can do one for say army officers. They have several issues, things that they are dealing with. So you can develop a box where it's only involves cryptography, right? Only involve cryptography, and that box goes had to go into details. Normally we say it should be played throughout 8 hours. One single day can 8 hours ne? It's more the better. It might take ideally 24 48 hours to break your box. That's much better, but not less than 8 hours. Bilata තේරුණාද එක? Are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So you guys have the freedom to select any topic. I'm also giving some topics, but don't wait for me. So we are going to have another discussion soon, maybe like Wednesday night. I'll tell you about it later, right? Why Wednesday night? Then at that time you have to have your ideas. I'll also have a list of ideas. Then we can discuss and finalize. So you can think about, don't restrict yourself to Sri Lanka. If you do this right, you can sell this. Now this is, I've been saying this for a long time. Okay guys, why don't you do a startup, and why don't you sell something, get a product? But no one is doing, because I think the guidance is not there. So I will guide you this time. I'm 100% committed to it. Unless otherwise something bad happens to all of us, you're going to do that, right? So you can think for, okay, airline industry. what can they do? Or health industry. Now, ransomware, I think there are so much to discuss about ransomware. A quick note. We started the Clubhouse. You know, Clubhouse is superb, right? How many of you are in the Clubhouse right now? You can I think. So I'm going to introduce this to you. How many of you are here in Clubhouse?
I'm
I
there.
have dropped an invite, sir. It's still not approved.
Okay. I can take you in if you want. So I have like 8 invites left. Just WhatsApp me. So if there's anyone who is really interested, I have like 8 left. I think you should start different clubs. There's so much that you can do, guys. Please do. We started some club called Sri Lankan Cybersecurity or something, but we had one meeting, but we had to have a meeting very soon. There are a lot of people who are interested in students, to industry people, and many more. So we should do that, obviously. Right? That's a wonderful experience. Okay, so what I was saying, yeah. So anyone who is interested do in Sri Lankan, uh, the airline industry, you can do that. But seriously, do your studies and see where is the real problem. Now, ransomware attacks, that's what I was saying, no? Health industry. So huge problems. So you can, of course, solve this problem by creating a kind of a well thought after CTF box. සමහරලාට මේකට කියන්න පුළුවන් pen testing box කියලාත්. but අපි CTF box කියන වචනේ පාවිච්චි කරමු. That's easier. And also, once you do that at one point, right? So of course, our way of doing it, like we'll have your own site. එහෙම කරලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Or you can even at one point, there are so many other places you can host these things. Even TryHackMe, you can create your own room. So these are pluses, guys, right? I mean, there are so many things to do these days, right? To gain attention, find opportunity. Say now you have a TryHackMe club or a group here or your own room. You know that you can create your own rooms, right? So I'm started a series also in TryHackMe. Then you can follow it. I think most of you knows what exactly to do. Okay, I can't, so my password is a bit messed up. So you can go there and see there are 20, 30 people running and playing there. So see the attention that you are getting. So that's what I'm talking about. Or then you can do it for a place like Pentester Lab. And there are so many other places. And also you can directly sell it to somebody else, right? So those are the things that you're planning to do. But at least the bare minimum, I need the product, and you have to set it up for the what is it, the competition. And every Wednesday night, you can start around 8, 7. So you're going to have a kind of a say delayed sleep night that day, 9 to 12 or something, 3-hour session. So initially, probably I'll host it. Where what we do is like we either play a game, a short scale game, everybody, right? So then their own, then they share thoughts. I'll tell you how to do that. There are so many different interesting ways of doing these sessions, online sessions, and then of course share knowledge. So now there are around 80 people here. Say, what if everybody sharing something good every day? So that's what happening. Yes, yes.
Could you please repeat what you said, sir? The connection was just had an issue.
Okay, so I was saying, so we are going to have a apart from the subject matter, every Wednesday night. So I would call it as a night hack. So everybody should come in. We can use Zoom or any other better platform. So first two, probably I'll take you through. But thereafter, because I cannot commit for everything, so I think that should run. I'll be monitoring it only like after 1 or 2 weeks time. So one guy can, or 3 people can moderate. And idea would be for there'll be agenda. So you guys have to do it. I know it's too late, 9 to 12. Who cares? So you guys are security guys, cybersecurity guys. You have to get trained to do those things, right? So that's a mandatory part of this one. And also we'll have the competition. Competition in the sense it will be like I'll give you the guide and don't worry. There's no much to do. Only thing is we'll have 1 or 2 sessions explaining. So that will be open session on YouTube Live or any other Twitch or something. And all the boxes will be open, everyone hosted and openly available for anybody to come and host. And because they are working on different types of CTF boxes, like it's basically something on telecommunication regulation, something on GDPR. So we are going to verticals this time. We were doing horizontals, like everyone was doing part of forensics, part of crypto. Like every time you had the same type of challenges. It's It's like somebody who is playing something like Pico CTF, they will not even try to do that because they are very challenging. So no one would like to play your boxes. But when you do verticals, suddenly there will be a huge value. So only thing is, guys, you have to be very careful of suggesting your boxes, because I don't want everybody to repeat the same. I don't want everyone to say, okay, we are doing on web exploitation and we are going to select something along the line of this, right? Always try to differ. If we'll have Excel sheet on Wednesday, if somebody is doing it, either we can change a bit, so or we can deviate from it. So internally you can have discussions what you're doing, and this can be a very interesting thing, right? So that is the baseline. I hope you are clear about it. Then the second thing, I think I wanted to talk very carefully about why you are doing this, because I told you have to be project managers. You have to understand how to do that, and I'm going to teach you a lot of other skills along the way, because I think you know this time I'm an avid Notion user. Notion is a great tool. I will let you know how to use Notion to do this project. Right, that's another great learning point. And also, I'm a crazy user now in Roam Research. I'm going to explain or introduce that as well. And apart from that, there'll be some other techniques. And then I'm going to work on probably not me. I'm trying to bring down some people. And if needed, there are a lot of internet YouTube videos, but I really wanted to have that other practice bit also, because there's a quite a complaint from the students. You Api don't touch the development part. No, actually I developed this syllabus that you all are going through from scratch by myself. Not to say they are bad. No, I am taking the full responsibility. And the master syllabus and the cyber BSc syllabus. I even got an award for it, international award. I'm the only SLIT academic who have got an international award from any organization for that matter. Poddak Market Kara. And I got the award from ISC Squared, who are the biggest cybersecurity organization in the world. So this, because I'm proud of my syllabus, but at the same time, there are smaller things that we have to improve now, because now it's been almost 3 years, 3 years or 2 or 3 years, of course. So, but there's quite a complaint from students saying, we don't have development. Now it's true, but try to understand. First year, you have learned the programming. That's all you need for development. Nothing else. You don't need to learn OOP structure. You do need to know the fundamentals of programming. The shit happens because our SLIT, I've been saying repeatedly, the program that teaches you, the course that teaches you programming does not teach you programming. That's a shit loads of bad content. That's the problem. So it's not my problem. I'm going to quickly pass the ball to the first year, year one. But if you looked at the Harvard 101 course, Harvard CS course, super beautiful course, which teaches you the right programming skills. Puta, you don't need to learn programming for 2-3 years. You have to learn programming for few days. Then you can learn, like if you learn the basics of programming, which I tried to teach you in assembly in 101 in SNP, right? That and bit of pointers and how the logic works. And just to give the freedom to write your code, you can become great programmers like Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a great programmer. You don't know that, right? Zuckerberg is a good programmer. They are great programmers. Richard Stallman, the forefather of Linux, and Linus Torvalds, right? Those are great programmers. No one knew Bill Gates is a good programmer. Right? He's a great programmer. But they learn programming by themselves. I think so. You don't have to worry. Now, of course, now you have to learn things like full stack. Or full stack you have to learn. But these things YouTube I think they are better than the best lecturer at Slate. YouTube EduReka free code camp. I think you don't need anything else. Right? But I'm going to teach you this workshop type of mode of things, boot camp type of mode of things, where I teach what I know, and on top of that, I'll try to bring somebody else from the market, from the industry to help you. And that is where you guys can also shine in. Now, if there's any bugger here who says, sir, I'm really good at HTML, I can teach HTML. HTML is one of the coolest things that you can teach. Half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 7 hours. Karpugama, record it. You can put it to my YouTube channel also and your YouTube channel also. We can get a lot of people attached to it. Right? So don't try learn everything from outside, right? Learn from your peers. එහෙම කරන්න නැත්තම් මොකටද මේ යාළුවෝ ටිකක් ඉන්නේ? So as an example, anyone here is quite good at XML? මට කියන්න සිතට මොනවද වැඩියෙන්ම මාස්ටර් කරලා තියෙන්නේ? comfortably ඔයාලට teach කරන්න පුළුවන් මොනවද සිතට? ලොකු වෙලාවක් නෙමෙයි. half an hour එහෙම දෙයක් නැත්තම්
Java,
perfect. Java I think in the server end Java is very important. කාට හරි මම ප්‍රශ්නයක් කම නැත්තම් කොට්ටොක්කක් කරගන්න අයියෝ අවුරුදු 3ක් ඉඳලා මම I haven't learned one particular thing. ඒතර පොඩ්ඩක් double check කරගන්න ඕනේ. ඒතර I think you can do a Java session. මේ ඔක්කොම night hack එකත් කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? We don't need any other time. half an hour 10 hours to 10 minutes වත් කමක් නැහැ. Image 7984. Image කියන්නේ image මොන හරි දන්න specific දෙයක් තියෙනවද කාට teach කරන්න පුළුවන්? Like half an hour. Then you can work more on that. Image එළියට යන්න ඕනලා වගේ. Image නැද්ද? Okay, image ඊළඟ පරිලයට යමු. Chamodi 9214. Chamodi, anything that you know that you can teach to someone else? Node.js, serverless programming, I don't know, UX, anything? Chamodi tokkක් කනකන shape එක යන්නේ. So now at this time you should be able to you should be able to now even assembly you can teach, like that's better. Avishka Karunaratna, anything that you can teach, any sir, I know Node.js, I know, you know, Kubernetes, I know this. So from a programming standpoint, I know this full stack, this particular part. Oh, I am really good at the VirtualBox. I can teach our guys a bit of how to do crazy level of deep level of VirtualBox. Now as an example, guys, right? So even how to use the Mac, right, itself is great. Did you know that I'm using the computer for almost 20 years, but I had so many difficulties. Let me check. That's what you have here. Okay, I have my WhatsApp. Let me close it. Okay. Right. So what else? That's it. Okay, there's one more here. So did you know? I think most of you should know. Now I can use keys in a Mac and can do this, or I 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 can do this. Right? So it's quite fascinating. It's easy and I'm 100% productive. And of course you can have multiple desktops that you know. I have few desktops here, right? And I can do crazy stuff with desktop sharing.
You can do the same on Windows as well.
Of course, you can do the window and tab. You can get your multi desktops. You don't have to have a Mac to do all these things. And say you can do many things by having workflows. So somebody can teach that. So this is what I mean to be productive and being great. So guys, this is like the point where you can showcase something. But that's okay. Make a single, then there are few Tamil students I know. These guys will get it translated. And our Tamil link, it's okay. Single Tamil shame on them. Right? අපි මහිත ලංකාවේ හැමෝම සිංහල ඉංග්‍රීසි තමිල් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ නම් මොකක් හරි වෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. Right? So of course this is a Sinhala country. එහෙම කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි එහෙම නෙමෙයි වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේක ශ්‍රී ලාංකික. මම කියන ගෝම් පාට් එකක් විදිහට නෙමෙයි. I think all should leave alone. So we should, the best thing that you can සිංහල කතා කියන්න ඕනේ තමිල් ටික ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. Right? එහෙම නැත්තම් වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒ මිනිස්සු ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ සිංහල. ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්නත් ඕනේ. So that's where everything works together. So that you can do. Don't worry about the subject, or sorry, the language. So you can just share something. I can YouTube it there. Convert English. That's much better. Okay, I hope that you understood that. Right. So that is the other topic that I really want to touch on. May project you have to be good at development, because without development you can't build anything. No? So you can use different stacks, MERN stack, mean stack. You might have to work on a kind of a product with thinking about all these things also, guys. Don't just build up something. Some are like very like you go into that deep level and then you do things at a very deeper level, some assembly, or I don't know, maybe with some, you know, deeper language, like only C, like, that's okay. That I'm 100% all right. Otherwise, for generic things, use a full stack. use a stack somewhere from somewhere rather than just doing coding or either code කරන්න නැතුව. Right? Learn all the methods. These days learning is quite simple, guys. Okay. So any questions up to this point? Any questions up to this point?
So regarding the Wednesday nights, is it okay to join a bit like an hour late?
No, no. කණ්ඩ තියෙනවා නම් කලින් කණ්ඩ. ගෑල්ලමට call කරන්න
As
තිබුණා කලින් call
I'm
කරන්න.
on shift from 1 to 10.
Okay, 1 to 10. Okay, guys, I understand. That's a completely different matter. No? Office matters, yeah, it's come across CS Villas. We can work on something on that. Yeah, you can, of course, come on. And it personal matters, I don't care. Other there's any problem with your mother and father, I think you have to value your parents. Others you can work on. Okay,
Okay, so thank you.
that's solved. Any other questions?
Nothing for me, sir.
Cool. Anyone else? At least, are you clear now what to do? Amila Pereira, are you clear what to do?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now comes to the critical path. You know, critical path කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Project එක ගත්තාම එක point එකක් තියෙනවා, එක path එක. There's a one path where it doesn't works out, nothing works out. Right? Nothing works out. A critical path කියන්න පුළුවන්, critical step එක කියන්න පුළුවන්, critical step එක කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Whatever you said, yeah, this will be critical. That is, who's going to be your partner? Because remember, guys, there's no partners. There'll be a partner. This is a peer-based project. 2 people, or you can be a singular person. Up to you. Is that clear? So this project can work out with 2 members or less. ඉතින් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එක්කව තනියම කරන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් දෙන්නෙක් තව එකෙක් හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. Right? So it can be your girlfriend, boyfriend, or your gay friend or lesbian friend. I don't care. But there should be a partner from SLIT, from this batch, who is doing SNP. නැත්නම් ඊට වෙන partners ගන්න එපා. That is not legal. Okay. So is that clear? So you can team up with someone, or if you think this is a project එකම team එකක් ඉන්න ඕනේ. Team is you. Of course, other people will be there because everybody is communicating. We have a night hack. We have all those crazy stuff going on, and you have me. There are a team of 2 other instructors, and of course we have. I couldn't talk to Lanisha Miss. She's also a part of the lecture panel. Myself and she'll be delivering lectures. But there is another 2 instructors. So we have 4 all together to help you from the academic side. And all of your friends are the ones that are really helpful. And then, of course, I am planning to bring in some more people. And of course, for fun, I don't know. I can't promise. I promise only these things. Because කලිනුත් මම promise ලා ගොඩක් ඩීල් කරන්න බැරිලා තියෙනවා. But I'm very strict on my promises this time. But I'm planning to do some clubhouse stuff also, which is cooler. We can get more people, random people coming and criticizing us. That's great. So we'll do a session there as well. I'm not promising it, but I'm trying my best to do it. Yeah. And the other thing is we'll have every 2 weeks, we have a session to monitor what you have done. So you get marks for that, guys. 100 marks all allocated. There's no midterm. All basically like every 2 weeks, we'll have a very critical assessment where you get marks. So we have 3 months now. So we have like 6 of them. That's how we get the marks at the end of the session. So end of the semester, you have to have this competition things ready. And at that time, you can showcase with all the cooler things. We have a client. We are going to sell it for 2 million rupees. And yeah, so we have such connections coming in, or like our product has selected to a bigger competition, so we can, and it's in Try Hack Me, or it's in Hack the Box, or we have our own platform now. We are going to sell it as a service, software as a service. Do them, guys. තව කාලයක් නෑ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඔය කරන්න. කවුද දන්නේ අවුරුද්දෙන් ඔක්කොම මැරෙයිද කියලා. So showcase your work now. Right now. I think this is the time that you have to do that. Right? So go with the internet. Everything is digital these days. It's not going to reverse. Reverse, like you will not have anything actually in the internet. But yeah, so that's basically it. Okay, so the team concept, I think 2 people in a team. I hope that you're okay. Anything else that you want to clarify? So in the Wednesday's discussion, I think you guys had to be clear about your team. In between, I'm going to share a registration page as well, so you guys can register. And yeah, rest of the other than any other like logistical things, end of the session, I'll explain to you another 10 to 15 minutes about CourseWeb, the enrollment key, and what will be there in 1 or 2 days time. Okay, guys. So then next, the best thing that you have to follow through when you do CETFs is the this particular guide. So if you search in the internet, Google CETF field guide, and this alone would help you to start everything up, right? So practice, everything will happen eventually, but this is something that you start reading right now. So you have everything here. I thought of creating a slide deck out of it, but this is in the slide format, so it's much easier to read and everything. So you can find what is a CETF, and basically it explains these things, walkthroughs, guidance, and things like that. And then next page, why CETFs, why this is important. But remember, the only difference, guys, here that we are going to do vertical CETFs, right? We are not going to do this traditional horizontal CETFs where you have concepts, right? Like categories of concepts, but rather we wanted to okay, it would be great if the lectures can as interactive as okay, right. So basically this this says few things about it. Okay. Okay, so this is about, you know, I was saying, sorry, I was just reading a comment, sorry. See, I was saying basically the verticals, right? We are interested in verticals, right? So Army, Navy, and even like this different types of issues where cybersecurity jumps in, right? We don't know like the health sector and some sort of things. Yeah, so you can read these things. I'm not going to go too much detail into it. It will be a few different lessons actually go through. I will create some videos on this as well. I promise that, don't worry. But you can read through, right? So now you know why CTFs. I think that is a very generic thing. And where to find CTFs? Okay, there's CTF guide, or CTF time actually. That's the website where you'll find all the CTFs. Yeah, so you have CTF events, everything under the sun here in this site, right? So upcoming CTF. So we are going to play a few for sure, right? So I think if you go to the industry and somebody asks, now these days everyone knows of CTFs. When I started teaching, no one in the industry knew about CTFs, right? So if we say, no, sir, we haven't, or no, madam, we haven't played a single CTF, that's it. You should not, give such answer. And of course, the most, I think, other than the DEF CON CTF, the most famous CTF is the PICO or the PLAID CTF by Carnegie Mellon. They are the best university for cybersecurity in US. So these are the best. And of course, the other ones, high school students goes in the shelf, and DEF CON is also one of the major ones. And of course, I started 4 games with you guys, of course, over the wire, but there are other things like Smash the Stack and Micro Corruption. Exploit exercises, the site is down, but these things can be found in the Vulnerability Hub. I don't think the site is online now. Yeah, it's completely different one. Yeah. So that part of the guide should be updated. Right. So those are the places where you can find CTFs. And then, of course, they are all connected with jobs. So I'm not going to talk too much about it. More you play these things, more you learn. And there are so many good places to learn these concepts. So you can't basically cry over like babies. So we don't know how to, our lecture is not teaching something like that, because there are places you can study here. RIPSEC or RPISEC, modern bind exploitation. These 2 courses I have also gone through. Perfect, marvelous courses. Introduction to Web Application Security, MIT, great course, and Unit Security. These are great courses. Right. Yeah, that's basically that. And then there are conferences and of course certifications, and so many links here given for good bloggers. Of course, read Troy Hunt or watch Troy Hunt. He says a weekly video, and Darknet Stories, a podcast. So much true, right? So you have to have an idea how to do a content consumption, නැත්තම් ඉතින් තියෙන content ටික කන්සම් ගන්න තා අවුරුදු 1000ක් රියල්ල ගන්න වෙනවා මේ God ගෙන්. මොකද මේ තියෙන විදිහට දවසකට වැටෙන content බලන්නත් අවුරුද්දක් විතර යනවා. Right? So then you
So
have to
what's the credit for ISP?
credits would be same. It's not like the CDAP 20 credits, but it's like a normal course credit, 4 credit. But I know why you asked that question. Sir, මෙච්චර ගොඩක් වැඩ කියනවා, so 4 credits are වැඩක්. No, it's not like that. Because this will carry a long weight to your, I think, your career, academic career. Because when you supposed to go and present yourselves in interviews, these are the most important parts. And of course, there's another segment like source code auditing, which is important. And there are some workshops on different things. Tools also, like you have to be good at Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, IDA Pro, and there are so many other great tools, right? And if you don't know C, you have to go and learn C and some other like things like integer overflow. I think you have learned about stack and the heap and the whatsoever. Like I think now you are full of it, right? And if you feel bad about it, release everything, vomit everything, start from the fresh. Right? Don't worry. I don't know how the stack works. Vomit everything and start from a fresh. Start from a good course and start at a fresh. Right. So then auditing, and there are several other places, resources like Assembly Wikibook, GDB quick references. Please keep them with you all the time. In your mobile, even you can keep them. And also web application. I think you have learned web security, right? And you have to say, I don't know how many of you have done that, DVWA, and then JuShop. I think even I had a lecture video on that. Burp suit, bug bounties. Okay, so learn those things before creating your boxes. And of course, you have to be good at full stack. That's also another one. So this guide is basically to teach you how to play CTFs, not to how to build CTFs. Don't worry, there's no such GitHub IO page or any other. So I'm going to create one week by week, so you can get more information. But okay, you go ahead this, you first read this. That's the best resource. Then of course you have CTF101.org. Again, there are so many different CTF related information resources here. So that's a good place to start. Like it's a very simpler format. It's a nicer format. What I'll do is I'll do a dry run of this, not now, and I will put it as a additional video. You don't have to stick around, not like a session like this, but I'll do a offline video and share it to you. And there's nice set of articles in Medium, quite interesting. This Medium, what do you call them, like Medium sections. So there are so many bloggers who write great things about bug bounty, CTFs, and things like that. So only thing is, if you don't have a Medium subscription, you can't read everything. Yeah, so that's a problem, bit of a problem. But if it's possible to pay $5 per month, please go ahead and do it. It's critical. And there are cooler posts like this I have found. So you want to CTF beginner's guide, so especially ladies. But anyway, there's a lot you can learn. There are a lot of blogs and things like that. And of course, if you go to YouTube, there's a hell lot of resources. But I don't want you to consume everything. You can't. So select the best ones and consume. And of course, use TryHackMe and also use Hack the Box. And that's basically it. Yes. Any more questions, guys? Any questions? So question part, I can leave it out the YouTube. That's not a problem. It's all right. Can I delete this bit? Guys, any questions? It's almost 10:42. I have another lecture at 11:30. You can put in the chat if you want. So how many grades? Okay, that's we answered. Anyone else having questions? So this Wednesday we'll have that night hack. So I'll talk to the batch reps, and then I will be guiding this week's one on 14th. Thereafter, I think I'll be just another passive user. I'll be watching what you're doing. So then it will happen for
So
sure.
should we stick exactly to one of the streams, like say forensics or cryptography, or can we just move between like 2 or 3?
No. The point is not that you select forensics or whatsoever. You select a industry segment. Okay, Bilal. You are going to build a CTF to play it by, we say, custom officers. So they are doing custom
Okay,
they
yeah,
do
yeah.
raids no ගිහිල්ලා ඒගොල්ලෝ කරනවා නේ raids කරනවානේ. එතකොට එන ප්‍රශ්න solve කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ CTF එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ කරන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ office එකේ ඉඳලා simulate කරලා යනවා. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ට real world එකේ පහසු වෙනවා වැඩේ කරගන්න.
Okay. So then
Or, yeah.
we
So
can
they,
take around 2, which
you
because
can
usually in any field they would don't use just one thing, right? They will need around two or three.
Exactly. So you might have to do first set of bit of forensics, then you have to do reverse engineering. Sometimes you have to use just a tool to do things, but it should be some challenging tasks also. Where the how do you check that whether you have done enough? ළමයි ගොඩක් වෙලා අහනවා sir අපි මෙච්චර levels කරා ඇතිද sir? The point is you can decide it if somebody can play it. So I'm talking about average user, right? Not the best expert in the world. They can break your system within few minutes, but for average cybersecurity guy, it should take 8 hours. Try to understand. Of course, this will be played by, understood by, learned by people at customs office, but rather custom office trained into cybersecurity. නිකම්ම custom officer කරන්න train කරන්න බෑ. But normal average student should take 8 hours to break your box. එතකොට සමහර custom office එකේ ඊට කලින් break කරා මොකද ඒකට subject knowledge එකක් තියෙන හින්දා. But it can be more also. That's the way how we have to think about it. So you have to think of okay, doctors නම් දෙන්න බෑ. හැබැයි health information මේක වෙන්න ඕනේ user වෙන්න ඕනේ. අපි දුම් hospital සම්බන්ධ එකකට හැදුවා කියලා. ඒතර hospital එකේ කියන sys admins ට නැත්නම් hospital එකේ technical workers ට knowledge workers ට මේ සම්බන්ධයෙන් අවබෝධයක් තියෙන කෙනා. ඒතකොට doctors ට මේකට හදන්නේ නැහැ අපි. I will not do that. There are some CTF boxes to train like everyday people to knowledgeable about security. මම හිතන්නේ ඒක එච්චරම වැදගත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ අපිට. Don't go in there, right? So we want to we are building these boxes to play by people who are in those verticals who are into cybersecurity, not everyday people. Are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
One thing that somebody can do is if you want, you can develop a FAQ. I'll answer like a make ask me anything sort of thing. We can do it on Reddit or wherever. You can put up your questions, so I'll answer them. Not now, but I mean like probably next time. But by next Sunday, guys, you have to have your groups and the topics ready because then we should be on. Everybody should be green light to go ahead with the project. So throughout the week, right, that should happen. So before to show the course web and everything, I had to stop the recording. So if there's any generic question, anything to clarify, please ask before I stop the recording. So I'm 100% okay. Anybody wants to do it alone? You are a alone type of guy. I'm okay. That's okay. That's understood. Okay, that's nothing more. Let me stop the recording, guys.